Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 9th, Subject Physics, Chapter number 5. Today we will solve the problems, numerical problems, and for the a solution of the numerical problems, first we have to learn about some important formulas. And the some important formulas of chapter number 5 which we will use in the numericals are these. Okay, these are the some important formulas of chapter number 5 which we will use in the problems. Okay, let's start with the first problem. And the first problem statement is that here is the first numerical statement is that find the gravitational force of the attraction between the two spheres each of mass 1000 kg. The distance between the center of their spheres is 0.5 meter, and we have to find the gravitational force, and the solution is that according to the statement the given data is first of all the mass of sphere 1, sphere 1 is 1000 kg. Similarly, mass of sphere 2 is 1000 kg. Okay, we know, and now the distance spheres is d 0.5 meter, and we know very well that about the gravitational constant g is always 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power 11 m2 kilogram per cube, and we have to find the gravitational force F, that is we have to find. Okay, now we know the formula for the gravitational force and the solution to find. Here we can write find, that is equal to F we have to find, and we know the formula for the gravitational force, the first formula, that is equal to G m2 over d2. Now we have to put the values. Okay, G value we know that very well, that is equal to 6.73 multiplied by 10 की power 11. Okay, now multiply mass 1, that is equal to 1000 and divided by d value is 0.5 whole square. Okay, now here we have a relation, and first we have to solve both these values, and we will multiply this and taking square of this value. Clear? It can be changed in the scientific form, and we can resolve it by step easily. Minus here 10 की power 3 multiply 10 की power 3, and that is equal to 0.25. By solving these all values we will get F is equal to 26.692 multiplied by 10 की power minus 5. By solving these values, putting in the calculator, and we can solve. Now this is a minus 5, and we will take this point to this, then we will get the value, exact value 6, and that is a round off, and that is equal to minus 4n. Clear? The negative sign in the tens power is shows that we take a point from right to left. That why one base power will be reduced, and that will become a -4. And the 7 one, this we know that after point, if there is a 5 larger than 5 number, then we will increase a 1 number into the next number. That's why this is the answer of a first numerical. Similarly, next numerical statement is that the gravitational force between the two identically lead spheres kept at a 1 meter apart is 0.006673 Newton. Find their masses. Now we have to find the mass. Same formula we will use. According to statement, the given data, the distance d is equal to 1 meter, force that is equal to 0.006673 Newton. Here mass m1 that is equal to e2, each mass, that's why we will replace both masses with a single mass name that is equal to m. That is we have to find. Now we know the value of g is 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11 nm to kilogram minus 2. Now we will use formula and solve this problem. And formula we know that is F is equal to G m1 m2 over d2. Now by using the values, we'll put the force that is equal to, here it can be replaced like this, m1 that is equal to m2 m into m divided by d2, and it can be in either form. You can use g that is equal to m square over d square. We have to find the m. Okay, now by putting values, f that is equal to g m square over d square, force that is equal to 0.006673, g value is 6.673 multiplied by 10 to power minus 11 m square divided by 1 square. And by substituting these values, and here it is multiplicative, when we take to the other side it will be a in the dividend form. So we can take like this, divided by 67, that is equal to m square. By solving these, put in the calculator and put these values in calculator. By calculator we using, we can find the exact value, and the answer will become m2. Answer will become 1.10 की power minus 3 multiplied 10 की power plus 11. m2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 की power minus 3 plus 11. In mathematically form, we have learnt that if the base are same, then the power will be add. So this m square that is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 की power plus 8. We have to find the mass, single mass. Then we will take a square root on both sides. M that is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 की power 4 kg, and then that will be equal to 1 3 to 4 digits kilogram. That is our numerical. Clear? That is our numerical. M is equal to 1 multiplied 10 की power 4 kg. M is equal to 1 10,000 kilogram.